Hi everyone, this is Ambika Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be learning how we can integrate ChatGPT with UiPath without using any HTTP request method activity. So let's get started. So to integrate ChatGPT with UiPath, the first step that you need to do is in your browser, go to openai.com and hit enter, go to login. Over here, you can select any of the two services. As per our requirement, we need to select API. Why? Because we want to generate API key. Click on API. Now in the side panel, select for API keys. Here, click on create new secret. We'll be naming our key as UiPath key maybe, and click on create secret key. So once you create your secret key, copy your secret key and save it to some notepad, because once you close this particular dialog box, you won't be able to refer this API key again. Why? Because of some security reasons. Some people may abuse your API key. So we need to keep that particular thing in your mind, and also don't share your API key with anyone. So yes. So once you copy your API key, go to UiPath Orchestrator. Then go to integration service, and in connectors, search for OpenAI so that you can integrate your API key. First side, you can see connect to API. Click on that and provide your API key, which you just copied from OpenAI's page. Paste it and click on connect. You're all set to use ChatGPT with UiPath. Now, once you go to the studio, create a new project, name your project as maybe ChatGPT integration. Once your process is loaded, in under activities panel, search for generate chat completion. Select the activity under OpenAI, drag and drop it to your pane. So before using this particular activity, I would like to give you a brief description about this activity, about its properties. I won't go too much in depth, but I'll make sure that you understand its basic functionality very well. So once you drag and drop this particular activity, it is very smart. It will automatically take API key that you have just generated. Now in prompt, what is prompt actually? So whenever you have used ChatGPT and you ask a question to a ChatGPT, let's say, write me an essay with 50 words for so and so topic. So that particular value is called as prompt. When you go to properties, over here you can see instruction. So you can give instruction to your ChatGPT to act in a certain way. Let's say I want my ChatGPT to act as a software engineer, or maybe like a teacher for writing an essay, or maybe software engineer, software developer for writing me a Python code. So in that case, you can give an instruction. Now we'll talk about the model name. We have two model available over here as ChatGPT 4 and 3.5 Turbo. So I'll tell you about the pricing. Once you are in this openai.com page and you go to pricing, over here you can see the price of both the models and like how many tokens are available within that pricing. So as you can see, for ChatGPT, it is quite expensive, and it also tells you the tokens that you will get within that pricing. So I have bought this particular model. So yes, these are the both models that are available. For now, we'll go with ChatGPT, as I told that I have bought this one. And then there are max tokens. So what are tokens? Tokens are the individual words. Let's say over here you can see this text written. Write an email to a new sales lead. Okay, so each word from this sentence will be considered as a token, based on which ChatGPT will respond you. So the default tokens for this activity is this. So n determines the number of responses that you want in return. So the default value for this is 1. Let's say we consider a scenario where we ask our ChatGPT to give like write code in different languages, and we only want it to respond respond us back with two languages. Okay, so over here we can give n as 2. Now the temperature is the complexity or the creativity with which you want your ChatGPT to reply. This is this, and top P is similar to that, but it has different set of criteria. You can go in depth if you want to. Now directly coming to the output. To generate the output in string, you can use top generated text, or if you want to generate the output in generate chat completion, then you can use this particular output. For now, we'll go with the string. In the current scenario, what we'll do is we'll get the input from the user, we'll pass that input as a prompt to this activity, and we'll generate the output in a message box. So simply in the activities panel, go with input dialog box, drag and drop over here, give the title. Let's say we'll give the title as ask your question with GPT. I want to write the input name as same. Yes. Select type as text box and create a variable by clicking Control K and name this variable as input. Now in the prompt, I don't want to hard code a value, and we'll give the user input to this activity. I don't want to change anything much. Just select the model name from here, the model that you want to use. It's totally up to you. I don't want to modify anything else. From here, I want to create an output. So we'll name this output as generate text. Let's see. Control S. Now I want to display my output back to a message box activity so that I can show you how we have got the output. Generate text. Yeah, looks good. Now we'll simply run this and see how it is giving us the output. Okay, so let's say I want to get a code for string manipulation, or I want to get an example of string manipulation. So I'll simply ask that. Write me a example code for. Click on OK. It is generating the answer, and there you go. So it has generated the answer in Python. We have got our result over here. Yeah, so that's how you can do it. So this was a short video that I've created with the help of which you can integrate your ChatGPT with UiPath. The other method that you can integrate your ChatGPT with UiPath is with using HTTP request. If you want to see how we can integrate with this method, let me know that. We'll try to create a video on that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.